Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to record shows on DirecTV Stream. First, open the DirecTV Stream app and find the show, movie, or live program you want to record. If you are using a DirecTV Stream remote, recording is very quick. Once the show is selected or playing on your screen, press the record button on your remote. The button is usually labeled REC, or just a red dot on newer versions. After pressing it, a confirmation message will appear on the screen showing that the recording has been added to your DVR library. Now, if you are using a standard streaming remote like Roku, Fire TV, or Apple TV, the process is slightly different. Open the program you want to record and press the OK button on your remote to display the video player controls. Then use the right arrow button to move across the options until you highlight the REC button. Press OK again to confirm the recording. If you want to record shows using your mobile phone or computer, open the DirecTV app or visit the DirecTV Stream website and sign into your account. Search for the show you want to record, open the program page, and tap or click the recording option. The recording will then be saved to your DVR library. After recording your shows, you can access them anytime from the DVR or library section inside the app. Thanks for watching.